we got our apparatus reassembled. As you can see, I have some new element here, and I do not have the filter connected that's coming in from the house line. And I have implemented the safety logic, so that way if that sensor, that top float, gets disconnected, the whole system shuts off. Likewise, this actually gives me a little bit more room to add more water in here. That's some net gains right there. Likewise, I only have one float in here, and I'm actually using distilled water now. If we come over here, we'll notice I have a bottled water dispenser. I have some water of choice. It's distilled in this case, but that's going to be implemented or added into there. So instead of where the valve used to be plugged in, now I have the bottled water dispenser plugged in. And this is the updated board. That's the board that I just unplugged. Everything is the same except these two resistors, and I have TX and RX communication now if I so choose to use it. This is the updates that I have ran with as of tonight. I'm going to try and get the motor set up so that way I can get my stirring rod all figured out and put over the cooking pot. The paddle, the bearings, the shaft. This is galvanized. This fits on there, and this is, but because it's galvanized, I can't use it. I don't want to use galvanized near any cook water. I want to use stainless steel, so I'm waiting for my pipes to come in from Granger. All right, that's it. That's all I got for tonight.